Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex and welcome to the Daily Review Show. Guys, if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm going to look back at yesterday's trades and you're going to find out which trades I did and didn't take and why not, guys. All right, so let's get started. We're looking back at Friday, the 12th of July, guys, and there were a few trades we were looking at. The first one was Euro Canadian dollar, right? And we were looking to buy this pair. Why were we looking to buy this pair? Well, we were in an uptrend. Okay, you can clearly see that, guys. Yeah, in an uptrend, so we want to buy the market. We had a very nice bullish candle. Yeah, it doesn't get much more bullish than that. That broke all these previous highs here. And the idea was just to come up to this blue line and this 4850 psychological level. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. So the direction was wonderful, right? But the problem with the trades from Friday was this. If you look at the H4, guys, right, we were looking for a retrace, you know, potentially down into here, right? And then we take price higher. But Elvis just left the building. Yeah, we got, you know, even when I saw this bearish red candle, I was thinking, okay, nice, we're going to get the retrace. But it just didn't happen, right? Price just shot off and hit target. And if price does that, guys, I don't have a trade. Yeah, I don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. If it just shoots off, right, I don't have a trade. I want to retrace to value. Yeah, so I can also hide my stop here and then take price higher. All right, that didn't happen. So yeah, we didn't get in on this pair, although the direction was very good. Maybe some of you guys did trade it. Let me know. The next one was pound Aussie dollar. And this was exactly the same, guys, right? If we go to the day chart, okay, we were looking for buys. So why were we looking for buys? Well, we were in a range. And then bang, we broke structure with this candle here. We broke all of these highs. So we were getting higher highs. Trend has changed. We was above the moving average 20 and we just wanted to take price up to this blue line. Again, exactly what happened, right? But again, if we look at the H4, you know, this retraced a little bit more, right? So price started to retrace. Again, I was just looking for a little bit further to retrace, right? Just into this gray zone, right? It didn't have that, you know, that far to go. And again, we saw this bearish candle. I was thinking that would happen, yeah, just because of that candle. But again, it didn't. And then at this level, it just shot up. Okay, so similar story to Euro Canadian dollar. Didn't retrace enough for me to get into this trade. No problemo. Yeah, don't worry. Don't have FOMO, guys, because there'll always be a trade around the corner, right? Always. And then the last one was oil. And before I show you all, guys, if I could just ask everyone to please come join our trading community, right? If you want to talk to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, and you would like my trade signals, you would like access to numerous tutorials on how to trade, and you would like direct access to me, you can ask me anything you like, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers right now, you can also get access to these things. So check out all the promotions there as well. All the information's in the video description. Right, the last one was oil. Okay, so again, yeah, what we were looking to buy it. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, it was in this uptrend. Okay, price had retraced to the moving average 20. Okay, so we're in an uptrend and we're at support. If I zoom in, we also had some, you know, bullish candle. And the idea was to come up to this blue line. And that almost happened. Just looking at this candle today, I am not interested in buying oil, right? That is a very bearish reaction. But before this candle happened, very interested in buying oil back up to here. Now, this was a case of, you know, Elvis had left the building as well. You know, by the time I'm looking at the market is around here, I just wanted to retrace into here before price came up. and it didn't happen, right? And price just shot off up to our resistance level. And then look what happened since we've hit resistance, right? However, if we go to the H1, right, we had this trend line that we were interested in, yeah, this blue trend line, and we had a nice bullish reaction at that level. But I will never enter a trade that late on a Friday, right? Firstly, I'm not trading. I'm done before the New York Open, usually on a Friday. But also, it's just there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 hours left till the week finishes, and you get peculiar price action at the end of the week because people are just closing orders, right? So, you might get a push up or a push down if people start closing trades. So again, no entry here, guys, either. All right, so there's the daily review. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.